Good morning, sir. May I come in?
Hi Rakesh, please come in.
Thank you, sir.
Have a seat. So tell me, what do you like to know?
Sir, being the managing director of the Shakti Group, can you please tell me how it all started? So, what Shakti Group does and its journey?
Where shall we begin? The story of Shakti dates back in 1950 when my grandfather Sri Baburao Tatuskar started the business of garments retailing. Then later in 1982, my father Sri Narendrao Baburao Tatuskar diversified into an animal feed manufacturing industry where we named the unit as Shakti Feeds. That is where the journey of Shakti began, and all our businesses today are named after that name called Shakti.
Sir, what does Shakti mean?
Shakti signifies goddess Durga, who is the goddess of power, strength and diversity.
Cattle feed manufacturing business turned into a conglomerate of automobile businesses.
Well, it all started since I was a child. I was always very passionate about automobiles, cars especially. There is something about these machines that always excites me, but so does the art of business. Well, I joined the family business at a very early age. That's when I had the opportunity to visit Mumbai more frequently to source our products and then retail into our store. This gave me a hands-on experience about developing myself as an entrepreneur, developing the negotiation skill, look at how the pricing works into the pricing mechanism works, and all these things gave me an earlier and exposure into the business. Then sometime in 2005, we saw an opportunity that Maruti Suzuki was looking for a distributor for their spare part distribution business. And that was our first breakthrough into automotive business. And with not just one venture, but the same year we ventured with Hero MotoCorp, erstwhile Hero Honda, parts distribution business as well, which my brother Ritesh manages currently.
I've always been passionate about cars, computers, gadgets and machines from a very young age. Getting into automobile business was a sheer passion and love towards automobiles. Born and grown up in a business family, it's a good opportunity for us to see the hard work and dedication put in by my father in running a successful business of retail garments and cattle feed manufacturing. Maruti Parts Distribution was our first breakthrough in automobile industry in the year 2005. We found this opportunity at the right time, and we were anyway shutting down the cattle feed business, and we were trying to venture into automobile for quite a while. The same year, another opportunity knocked on our door. Hero MotoCorp, which was earlier known as Hero Honda, they were looking for channel partners for distribution of their parts business. We started with zero experience into automobile parts distribution. Through the years, we have been almost adding one touch point every year, and today we are present in 15 districts of Karnataka, 2 main warehouses for Maruti Suzuki parts business and 2 main warehouses for Hero MotoCorp's parts business. This is the largest area covered by a single distributor in the state. Our warehouses are equipped with latest technology and state-of-the-art equipments. And our internal logistics systems has helped us to cater 14,000 part lines every month to our customers, with a concept of one part, one locations at our all touch points and main warehouse. With close to 15 years experience in parts distribution business and understanding of customer demand and market potential, We recently started a multi-brand 100% genuine parts two-wheelers retail store in Hubli, which caters to brands of Hero MotoCorp, Honda, Bajaj and TVS parts. Today, the demand of automobile parts is almost equal to FMCG business. Hence, our new mission for this business is to become one-stop shop for all the genuine parts of all major automobile brands of India across Karnataka and other parts of the country.
Wow, that is quite a beginning. Now, what about Tata Motors? How did that start?
After the distribution business, it was time to expand. So it started looking for opportunity into dealership business. So in 2007, we saw an opportunity. Tata Motors was about to launch their newest and the most awaited car, the Tata Nano, and had opened applications for new dealerships. We got an opportunity to set up dealership in Shimoga and we applied. Today Adi Shakti car is present in 4 major locations: Shimoga, Sagar, Davangere, and we recently expanded in Bangalore in 2018. And till date, Adi Shakti has sold more than 15,000 cars to happy customers.
Wow, from cattle field to automobile business, you have achieved your dream. Were you satisfied then?
Well, not really. That was the beginning, I may say. So, in fact, my father always told that when opportunity knocks at your door, you should be the first one to open the door. So here was an opportunity for us in 2015 when Toyota was looking for dealer partners in Shimoga. Toyota is the most reputed and sought after automobile brand globally, highly known for its best practices like the very famous Toyota Way, Toyota production systems, and emphasis on learning and continuous improvement, the Kaizen. This truly resonated with our culture in Shakti Group, which we inculcated in our businesses, and it was been our endeavor to be associated with the brand. So we established Shakti Toyota in 2015 in Shimoga and very recently expanded to Chikmagalur and Hassan as well.
Wow, that's quite a journey. Now, what is next for Shakti Group?
Well, what do you think is missing in our stable, Rakesh? We started with Tata Motors, which is a mass segment brand. Then we ventured with Shakti Toyota, which is a premium segment car brand. So logically, the next had to be a luxury brand. And can you guess which one? It is a very famous British luxury sports car and SUV automaker, which is one of the best and most aspired luxury automotive brand globally. Yes, we're talking about Jaguar and Land Rover.
I was born in 1948 and I too joined the business at a very young age in my college days. I was very passionate and interested about accounting and bookkeeping. So I started checking the books of our company. Soon I found out that our garment manufacturing business was bleeding money and I had to shut it down. At age 25, having the guilt of shutting down my family business, I decided to expand the garment retailing business and started 3 new stores in Hubli called Sringar Garments, Lavanya and Tatuskar Garments. We later diversified into Shakti Feeds, our cattle feed manufacturing business in 1985. Soon my 2 sons, Venkatesh and Ritesh, joined me in the business. We started many ventures. Some failed, but our intuition about venturing into automotives again was a very bold move. Very challenging, very competitive, but also very opportunistic, and it has well paid off. Today, Shakti Group of Company is proud of becoming a trusted name and dealer for various world-class automobile brands like Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, Hero MotoCorp, Toyota, and now Jogger Land Rover at multiple locations in Karnataka. 12 years down the line, with 7 plus companies, 20 plus business outlets, more than 600 professional employees of Shakti Group have been providing award-winning customer service, distribution of Genius spares, and delivering award-winning vehicles and products. We are now one of the biggest independent automotive dealers in Karnataka. We put our customers first. That's what set us apart from the rest, by ensuring that all our customers have a memorable experience. We see them coming back time and time again. It is therefore no surprise that we have won many times Best Dealer Award for outstanding performance in sales, service, and parts over the years. The year 2021 promises to be a very exciting year for us. One of our best achievements will be the prestigious world-class Jogger Land Rover showroom at Bangalore inaugurating today. I wish Shakti Group and Shakti JLR a very successful and prosperous year ahead. Let's keep our customers first and truly become the best in town.
सर्व शक्ती परिवारला माझा नमस्कार. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन शक्ती परिवार. JLR ही एक जगातली एक मोठी कंपनी आहे. इतक्या मोठ्या अचिव्हमेंटसाठी व्यंकटेश आणि रितेश यांनी खूप परिश्रम घेतले, त्याचे फळ आज मिळाले. ह्याबद्दल मला खूप खूप अभिमान पण वाटतो आणि खूप खूप आनंद पण व्हायला लागला. असेच पुढं आदित्य, श्रेयश आणि प्रतीक याला पण यश मिळू दे, मी अशी देवाकडे प्रार्थना करते. आणि सर्व शक्ती परिवारला पण यश मिळू दे. पुन्हा एकदा कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स.
When dreams are driven by passion, there's only one way forward. Success becomes a journey. Congratulations to Shakti Group and Shakti JLR on another new venture.
Congratulations Shakti JLR. My best wishes to Venki, Aditya and his team.
Wishing Shakti JLR very prosperous and healthy future.
Today, our vision for Shakti JLR has come to fruition. After months of hard work, time, sacrifice, and perseverance put in by my father and everybody who have contributed to successfully establish this new venture, we see this beautiful showroom come to life. I wish Shakti Group and Shakti JLR a very successful and a prosperous year ahead.